How to add products to your store in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to add a product in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to Catalog, then Manage Products. Select Add Product. Choose the attribute set. Choose the product type. Click the Continue button. Enter a name for your new product. Enter a description. Enter a short description. Scroll down. Type in the SKU. Enter the product's weight. Choose the status. Select the product's visibility. Choose whether to allow gift messages for this product. Scroll up and left. Go to Prices. Scroll right. Enter the price for the product. Select the tax class. You have now entered all the required information for a new product. Scroll left. Go to Meta Information. This is where you can enter a meta title, keywords, and a description. Go to Images. Here, you can upload images for your new product or browse the uploaded files. Go to Design. This page allows you to choose a different design to use with this product and set the active dates. Now, go to Inventory. The quantity is set to 0 by default. You can type in a new number to use. Go to Categories. This page allows you to see which categories this product belongs to. Go to Custom Options. This is where you can create more custom options for your product. Click Save when you are done. The product was successfully saved. You can view all your products here, as well as some of the details about them. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add a product in Magento Commerce.